Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Next.js PDF editor that I developed in the browser. So you can see I'm running it on locally, and so this application allows you to actually select any PDF document and edit it. So let me just select if I press this button, I can select any PDF document. So as I select the PDF document, you will see the PDF document will display right here, and we have all these controls out there. We have the previous button, we have the next button, and it actually shows you the page number, the active page number. So it actually calculates total number of pages. This is showing the page first of the total pages, which is 2, and this is a simple PDF viewer right here, and we have a set of controls out there. So the first control, if you want to hide something, so let's suppose if you want to blur something in the PDF document. So now let's suppose this text I want to hide this, so we can use this blur tool which is available. So just press this tool and simply select the portion, and you can see the text has been blurred. You can do it one more time, and this will add this white background color. So now this text is completely hidden, so nobody can see this text. And similarly we can do this on multiple areas that you want to hide the text in the PDF document. So this is a very important use case if you want to hide something in the PDF document. And then we have the second tool, which is the text tool. So if you want to add some text in the PDF document, you simply click on that, and here you can add your own text like this, modify this. So after modifying the PDF document, so we have the save PDF button right here. So if you click the button right, you will see the changes will be saved, and the download will be taken place, and you can see all the changes that you have done is reflected back in the output file. So in this way you can easily modify your PDF document using this advanced editor. So it actually works in the browser. This is the most advantage of this editor, using it. So if you are interested in purchasing the source code, the link is given in the description. So it is actually using the latest version of Next.js. If you see that it is using the 15.0.3 version, and we are using some third-party dependencies for making this editor. First of all, React PDF, PDF lib, and also we are using Fabric.js, which is the animation library of JavaScript. So it's a canvas-based PDF editor where you select the PDF file, it displays it right in the browser. Then we have these set of controls out there. So the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com and purchase it. After you purchase it, you will automatically be redirected to Google Drive, where you will actually get the zip file, and you just need to extract the zip file, which will actually contain this directory structure. So each component is divided into, you can see the whole application is divided into multiple components which are coded inside TypeScript. So if you are a student, college going student, this will be a great starting point project right here. You will see, you will get to know about how I built this complete editor from scratch. You will see each component is divided into multiple files right here. Now to run this locally, it's very easy. So once you download the source code from Google Drive, you simply run the command npm-i to install the Node.js modules which are mentioned in the package.json. So this will create this node modules folder, and then you execute this command npm run dev. So this will start the development server, localhost 3000, and you can see we are running this application locally. So application is quite simple. You select the PDF document that you want to select, then it will display, and then you can add text by simply clicking on that. You can navigate to the second page by clicking the next page. Here also you can do the same thing. You can modify something or hide something, and you can add, click on save PDF, and the modified file, you will see the changes have taken place. So it's a very minimalistic PDF editor, but it does the job pretty perfectly. It is very fast as well. It's a static website, and you can place advertisements. Once you purchase, you can deploy this application. The deployment command is quite simple, npm run build. So if you build out this project, you can purchase a domain name, just deploy this very easily, And let me show you some passive income that I'm earning from this tool. So if I have approved my domain on ezoic.com, you can see daily I'm earning some passive income by placing advertisements. You can see that per day, and AdSense as well. So I also have AdSense approved as well. So you can see the day-to-day analysis of this. You can see per day basis I'm earning this passive income. So you can even do that as well. So after purchasing it, you will get full commercial right to actually use this source code or modify the source code as well. So if you want to actually modify this application to add additional features, so this is actually the application. You can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. And thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.